Hey guys, I'm on my way to my friend's house. They're having a surprise party for me because my birthday's Saturday. Sweet 16, can't wait. Okay, so I'm here with my best friend Carrie, and we're running into the house now. I can't wait, I'm so excited. Here we go. Hey, hi. Good, how are you?
Come on, get back.
Hi. I'm good, thanks.
You moving in with all your crying?
That's what Carrie's mom said. Hey, Miranda. So this is my friend Miranda.
Hi. Hi.
She is.
Hi.
Okay, ready?
Yes. Here I go.
It looks so cute.
I'm so excited. Hey, you look so cute.
I
Down here. This is Grace and Miranda. I'm so excited. So I'm at my surprise party and I'm having so much fun. Everyone was just so awesome. This is Mara, one of my good friends, and we're just having a blast. Here's Fallon. She's pretty mad right now, but I'm just so excited. The decorations look awesome and all my friends are having so much fun. Bye.